Okay. Hey, my loves. Welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from the Outre hair.
Don't you know?
Okay, so I am coming through with a melted hairline lace front wig Eliana. Now, a lot of people have been reviewing Eliana lately, and I've been seeing them, and I knew that I requested this unit from Outre. They so graciously sent us this, but I was just like waiting, right? Like I'm like something like I know I'm supposed to get this, right? And I am so excited to share this one with you all. So I have Eliana in DRFF hazelnut, which is also a popular color, but we gonna do it anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this. So this is Eliana fresh out the pack. She's really, really, really pretty. Okay, and again, this is DRFF hazelnut. She has 2 combs in the front. Okay, 1 comb in the back. She has that band that we love, as well as adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. This unit, look at that parting space. It's absolutely stunning. So we're getting solar panels put on the roof, guys, so just bear with us, okay? We're just trying to get some floodlights put up, so sorry. So this is the lace that we love from Outre, as well as baby hairs. And I'm just going to go on ahead and snatch this lace off and throw her on. All right, my loves, let's get on to this Outre Eliana unit. I'm just going to start off by darkening up the lace with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, powder foundation, and I have that in the color 420. It's just really my shade, and I feel like the unit and the lace didn't really need much, but I feel more comfortable with melting it if it's a darker tint. So Eliana is a beautiful unit. It's a part of the Melted Hairline collection. It's currently going for just under $40 on most websites. I think that's a wonderful price point, seeing as though the lace is really fantastic, as well as the fact that the hair is a yucky texture, but she's really, really nice. It's not too shiny, so it doesn't give you that synthetical look that we do not like, okay? The cap is big head friendly, very big head friendly, which is nice because they have the band inside of it, and it did tangle, but it didn't shed very much. So I'm actually very impressed with this unit, as I am the Melted Hairline collection in general. I'm going to shut my baby tap mouth, okay, and finish getting this unit on together. bear with me. My neighbors are celebrating something, so sorry. It's so much going on today. I'm saying all that to say, I really have nothing to say about this unit because she speaks for her motherfucking self. Her goddamn self. Look at this. They said melted hairline. Let me bust up on you. Is she melted? Me think so. This is stunning. This is stunning. I can't get enough of this. So, full disclosure, this unit is going for just under about $40 on most wig sites. She does tangle, okay? And she does shed a bit. However, is it date night? You throwing something on? This unit was so easy to get together, and that's primarily because of this quality lace. I'm going to turn around for you guys so you get a look at the back. I can't take it. I don't even know that we fully deserve this unit. She is really, truly, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I'm very, very happy with how this unit came out. Eliana is really the one, okay? I'm feeling like love, sex, and magic. I mean, I usually do, but I mean, I'm feeling like it, all right? Because I might bust up on you. That's how much I'm feeling like. I'm oozing it. This unit is beautiful. Outre absolutely, positively did themselves. This is how you do a bone straight synthetic unit. Just under $40. Snatch her, throw her on, and get it moving. Now, I did add just a little bit of mousse at the top that makes me feel a little bit better. I darkened up the part just a bit, but the lace on her is what is really... that's the winner. You know what I mean? Like, it's just absolutely stunning. I don't have nothing else to say. I'm coming through with this unit from Outre. It's absolutely positively fire. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Bust down. I don't have nothing else to say. Y'all did it. Y'all win, Outre. We got another banger. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.